Hello, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Star Angel Tarot. And thank you guys for tuning in to my YouTube channel. I do appreciate you all here. And I do hope you click subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way the next reading you will receive notification for my new upcoming reading or any of my readings. And again guys, English is not my primary language. I'm from the Philippines and mabuhay. And welcome to all of you here, and for your time in watching. I am truly grateful, and I appreciated you all being here in my YouTube channel or watching any of my tarot reading videos. Thank you guys. So yes, this reading is meant to find you, and your manifestation, whatever you guys manifest, is coming. It's about to happen. It's about to happen. Yes, whatever you desire. I don't know. It could be person, situation, money, career, whatever it is, guys. Whatever you desire, manifestation, it's about to happen so soon. So again, guys, congratulations and good luck, because this reading really meant to find you, and I'm glad that this reading finds you. All right, Spirit Angels, what is this all about? That manifestation that is about to happen for my collective. Let's get this. Oh, party, reconciliation, celebration. Something to celebrate for you here. Three of Cups. And this one, Knight of Wands. Surprise. Okay, to some of you, okay. I don't know. I'm getting like somebody from the past might coming back. Yes. And somebody who hurt you, somebody for some reason you might get I got a lot of energy right now. A surprise news from the person who hurt you. I don't know. Somehow is this person might going to reach out, communicate with you, ask forgiveness, help, support. Yes, this person might be whoever this person you are dealing right now. They're dealing like their karma. They're suffering right now. So yeah, somehow I'm getting like the person from the past is coming back, maybe asking your help, emotional support, or forgiveness, financially support could be, might borrowing money from you. Yes, or make amends. Like again, we have Three of Cups. Make amends. Whoever this person from the past, is something about like, I don't know, this person could betrayed you or cheated on you or lied or I don't know, whoever this person that you are dealing right now or from the past, it's returning, coming back, want to reunite. Most of you is like friends, family, or co-worker. Want to reunite with you, want this party or invite you, a message. Like again, guys, this person is coming in. I don't know. This could be part of your manifestation to reunite, get together, forgiveness, or maybe this person who betrayed you from the past, hurt you, wronged you, suffered, received their karma. And like again, to some of you might receive a news for you. Maybe for you might be a good news for you that this person struggling at this moment, struggling financially, or struggling that the family of this person, or maybe this person's struggling right now, and you might be satisfied finding out that this person is receiving their karma for what this person done wrong to you. This could be your father, like again, very specific here. A family member struggling right now, want to communicate with you, waiting. Maybe this person is waiting for you, waiting to reach out, or somehow this person might going to reach out towards you, to message, sending a message. Yeah. Okay. Very specific here. And to some of you here, like again, sudden news about a family member. Yeah, it's like a sudden news, good news to some of you here. Happiness, you'll be happy about this family. I don't know, someone might be pregnant. Somehow is, this could be one of your manifestation to have I don't know, like pregnancy. Maybe your partner might surprise you about this new pregnancy, a baby, a new member of the family. It could be another new member of the family, no? Yeah. It doesn't have to be your baby. It could be yeah, it could be from relatives. A sudden news. Yeah. Okay. Spirit guardian, just what else manifestation that is about to happen to my collective? That is about to happen so soon. Okay. Like again, guys, I'm getting like reunion. Yeah. Getting together, celebration, family, new member. A new member of family coming. A baby in the family to celebrate. Yes. A person who betrayed you from the past, suffering at this moment, and this person might going to reach out, or yeah, you might be surprised when this person coming in, asking your help. Yeah, telling you their struggles, their problems. Okay, the Emperor and the Queen of Swords. Yes, um, whatever you are manifesting, yes, guys, there will be like a stability coming in. Yes, your family will be stable, happy, and knowledge. You might be getting a news. Somehow, there will be a huge celebration, a good news to some of you here, a message. Knight of Pentacles, like again, it could be money, a surprise, money coming in. Stability, this could be related sa, about your work, finances, business. And to some of you, you don't have to worry about your financially or finances when it comes to your family, because you will be you will feel this stability, feeling stable, less worried about your bills. Okay, because for some reason there will be a good news when it comes to your finances, sudden news, surprise, and a party invitation here to some of you. Yeah, judgment, a good karma. This is part of your good karma to all my brothers and sisters here. A good karma is you deserve to be in a high rank. It could be a new management. You are leveling up. Whatever you guys are manifesting about leveling up, you ask, and you will be receiving this in a surprise way with celebration here. Or a boss in a company. Yeah. Good karma to some of you. Nine of Swords to some of you might be like again, moving forward, moving on, healed. You manifest this healing, moving on. Yes, soon you will be feeling that moving on from the past, or from this discouragement, or conflict when it comes to finances, or conflict when it comes to relationship. There will be to some of you, if you are manifesting a new friend or relationship, you will be meeting this person in a party or in an event. You manifested this and it's happening. You will be meeting this new person. Okay. And again, you'll be meeting a person who is so stable. It's like a knight in shining armor that is willing to help you financially. Yes, this person will bring joy, stability, money support, and it's like a teacher for you. Yes, you'll be meeting stable person. Like again, if you manifested like a relationship, yes, you will be meeting this person so soon. A stable and a boss, marriage, whatever you have been waited for so long, manifesting for so long. Yes, it's happening. This will be your good karma. There's marriage, invitation, party, family support, financially support, good news when it comes to your finances, a new person coming in. You'll be meeting this a person that will teach you or give you a lesson to learn. You'll be receiving knowledge from this person, straightforward, truthful. And to some of you, you'll be feeling like a king and queen, more relaxed. Yeah, like a pause. It could be like a vacation. You might be going to a vacation that you've been waiting for. Okay, yeah. The Three of Pentacles, and again, moving on, could be travel. Yeah. Maybe you need time to disconnect a little bit away from toxic people, toxic relationship, or toxic habit. Yeah. You need, for some reason, I'm hearing like sober. Yeah. Very specific here. Everybody will be cheering you up in this celebration. Good news. Yeah. What else? What else more? Spirit guide angels, when it comes to their manifestation that's about to happen. Alright. A clover. Release your guilt. Yes, maybe it's time to release your guilt. Forgive and forget. 21, you could be fire sign. And the sun. Paint the sun black into your sky. So yes, guys, whenever you feel like maybe lately loneliness, tired, yeah, I don't know, feeling guilt, I think you need to release and continue manifesting about positivity, happiness, joy. Always remember the happiness, even if it's just the past, good, um, good memories, childhood memories, whatever it is that will brighter your day. Yes, imagine that situation and continue on manifesting. Maybe it's time to write it down, your manifestation, because it will turn into reality. You just have to be more patient and believe in good karma. When it's time for you, it will be time for you to receive this. And to some of you, whatever you manifest about knowledge, you are about to receive this. A knowledge, or it could be psychic knowledge or spiritual knowledge, especially when it comes to your dreams. You will be receiving a vision, a message from your guides. To some of you here, this could be a sign from your manifestation. Like again, to some of you, someone is going to reach out and telling you their story, celebration, their happiness, good and bad. This person always thinking about you, or vice versa. For some reason, this person manifesting you too. Maybe this person missing you, missing that moment, good relationship, good friendship, good vibe. This person is coming back, coming in. Okay, what else? What else manifestation that's about to happen, especially next week? Whenever they watch this, wow. Okay. The Empress. I'm hearing like the Emperor. Stability, beauty, nurturing. Like again, pregnancy. At this moment, guys, it doesn't have to be you are pregnant, but you could be starting to feel the manifestation is about to be born, about to happen. Maybe 3 weeks. Yes, 3 weeks, days, hours. It's about to be born. It will be surprise to some of you. We have here beauty, knowledge. Okay. I'm hearing like power. Could be work related. Stability. Yes, finances. Good news about your finances. Or it could be somehow from the past. It's coming in. And to some of you, you will be feeling like feeling young, feeling like cheerful, celebration. Yes, Queen of Cups, emotions, love, the love that you've been manifesting, you will be feeling that more often so soon. People will cheering you up. People will, you will notice later on that these people truly care for you. Somehow, to some of you here, might be very specific. Yeah, might be heartbroken, have these trust issues. I think you need to move forward and stop thinking about from the past, because the past is already done. It's already done. And it's already dead. Leave everything behind and keep moving forward. Think about the people who left right next to you, who's been there the whole time with you. They are the ones who truly love you. And you need to appreciate those people who's with you. Whenever you are, wherever you go. You don't have to look back from the past. Look what's in front of you. And look what's ahead of you. Encourage yourself more because there will be more opportunity coming in. Like again, your manifestation is about to be born. Whatever it is, money, career, person, knowledge, an opportunity, travel. Yes, maybe you need to write down your manifestation. It will help more to keep it moving faster. Some of you, you have been waiting for so long in this manifestation. Yes, there will be upgrade. You will be feeling upgrade, especially when it comes to your physical appearance or health. So, yes, that's it so far, guys. I do hope you are feeling satisfied with this manifestation. And yes, it's happening soon. It's about to be born. This manifestation. Okay, yes or no before this reading ends. Please stop this reading first. Pause the reading and ask any question. And the answer will be yes or no. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, yes or no for my collective. Are you guys ready? Yes or no for my collective. Alright. So, yes, outpouring. You don't have to worry anything. There will be like an instant manifestation is about to happen. A magic. Ace of Wands. A new beginning. Good news. Physically starting something. Creative spark. Like again, guys, you will be receiving a new idea. Idea of partnership. Idea of having a business. Or maybe you are manifesting to have a business. A family business. It's about to happen. Whatever you're planning. Family business. An idea. A sign that you ask from the universe, it's happening. And keep going, keep manifesting. Maybe painting, you might be creative. And use that talent because that help your manifestation to that is about to happen, that is about to be born. Creative spark, new initiative, finding new passion, enthusiasm, or urgency, accepting a challenge, potential, talent, and growth. So yes, you guys have a potential of anything you are manifesting. Yes, potentially it's happening. It's about to be born. Knowledge, spiritual evolve, awakening, and yes, judgment, karma. You will be receiving your good karma when it comes to when it times is right for you. When the universe think that you are ready, the universe will use their magic for you to receive your wish to come true. Whatever you are manifesting, wish, you will be receiving this so soon. Let's ask a sign about numbers. Okay, hold on. So we have here 5 changes. Like again, pregnant, confirm, to be pregnancy, having a baby, a new member of the family, good news, new beginning to some of you here, new beginning of business, idea, talent. Okay, what else? When is this to happen? We have 6 and 10. Yes, 10. 5, 6, and 10. One last. Could be hours, days, time, weeks, but not more than 1 month, guys. This is about only few weeks. All right. Yeah. You could be 56, 50, 60, 61, 51. Okay. You could be an older person. Okay. We have here 6. Confirm. One more. And wow, 666. 666. Check it out, guys. Definitely, you have a message from your angel number. Find that 666 angel number. You have a message from your ancestors. Yes, from your ancestors, and the universe message 666. And this could be related about your manifestation to about to be born or to receive. Yes, I do hope you guys enjoy this reading. And I'll see you guys in my next reading. And please don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel, The Star Angel Tarot. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that way the next reading you will be receiving a message or notification, an update about my new reading or any of my new reading. So again, guys, thank you for coming or for being here. I really appreciate you all, and I hope to see you guys in my next reading. Thank you and bye.